You owe me 8.5 lakhs. Approximately.
सॉरी, आई नो तुम नाराज हो, बट जाने दो ना प्लीज. वी आर गुड टुगेदर. आई लव यू.
फिर से कहो.
आई लव यू.
I love you.
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 आई लव यू.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
आई लव यू.
I love you.
आई लव यू.
I love you, Tina.
I love you, Anshu.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Love you.
I 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 love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
I too told you he's not worth it.
How dare he ask you this? ये कैसी cheap बात है? Why do you take so much shit, Chiku? You're better than this. Why do you let him treat you like this?
He absolutely doesn't trust me. बार वही. Like I slept with Sunny. End तक.
See, I told you Sunny likes you. He even liked you before dating that girl. He still likes you. मुझे तो कभी समझ में नहीं आया कि तुझे क्या दिखता है संजू में. But what? तू मुझे बता, ऐसा क्या है संजू में जो सनी में नहीं है? Who understands you better?
Sunny.
Who have you known for a longer time?
Sunny.
Who cares for you more?
Sunny.
कौन तेरे बिल्कुल केयर नहीं करता? कौन तेरे साथ बदतमीजी करता है? कौन रुलाता है? अंशु.
मुझे नहीं पता मैं उसके साथ क्यों हूँ. I just don't know. I don't know anything. तुम्हें लगता है I should break up with him?
It's your call. But I feel bad to see you so